Hi, my name is Jonathan Shaw. I'm a fifth-year aerospace student at Cal Poly, and I'm the founder of Hedron Design. We're a company working in the 3D printing industry to augment the capabilities of 3D printing services, and we're doing this by integrating enterprise resource planning, quality control, and automation into their workflows. The Hatchery has helped me as a student entrepreneur by showing me how to be a leader. There's more to it than just developing an idea. There's also being able to take accountability for that idea not working because you didn't execute properly, and knowing how to lead a team to a common goal, especially when you're the founder and you have all the ideas and the vision. Being able to properly share that with the team so that we're all on the same page was a skill that they definitely helped me nurture here.